Hello, my name is Terrence Hewitt. I'm a student in Oscar Sistrong's MIS course, spring semester of 2015. And today I'm going to show you how to use matching index, Hlookup, Vlookup today. The purpose of these functions are to be able to basically find any data that you need to find, a single data point out of big tables. So the first one we want to do is match an index. Alright, first thing you have to do is use the match function to find different positions of what you're looking for in here. So today what we're going to look for is the amount of points a certain player has. So the first thing we want to do is find a match for the players. In order to do that, you hit your function key and go to match. Double click it. Like that. Now I hit index, match. So look up the value. Lookup value is going to be the position you plan on typing. That player name. Lookup array is going to be the column that contains the players' names, and match type is going to be 0, which means you want it to exactly match what you type. Next, we're going to do the same thing for points. So once again, hit match, double click it, look up values where you plan on typing the title of that row, which is points for that. Look up array, and highlight all the different titles of the columns that it can be, and 0 is to match it perfectly. Now I'm going to type in Kobe Bryant because it's my favorite player. He's the best player ever. Type that in there. Give me 5. So 5 gives us the position he is on this column here. Next, we're going to type in PTS, which is for points, which is the 4th column. And finally, I'm going to use index to find the amount of points Kobe Bryant has scored in his career according to this, because this thing is not accurate. So for array and reference, I'm going to select the whole entire table. Row number, it's going to be 5 because Kobe Bryant is the 5th person on the row. Column number is going to be 4 because it's the 4th column. Out of the columns, press enter. And at that point, Kobe Bryant scored 31,700 points. And that's how you use matching index. Alright, so the next function we're going to use is called Hlookup. And Hlookup is useful when you have a horizontal table such as this. So today what we're going to do is try to find, we're going to use a player name and try to find the number of touchdowns he scored, as you see right here. So the first thing you do, and this, you want to put in Hlookup as your function. Put it in. So lookup value is going to be this one right here, which means anything we type in there is going to want to look it up. Table array, it's going to be the entire table. It's on here. This is a very long table. So let me get through it. Basically all the quarterbacks. By the way, this is a list of quarterbacks and their stats for a certain season. Index number is going to be the number of the row you're looking for. For this one, it's going to be 10. So I just type in 10 for that. And then range lookup, we're going to put false because you want an exact match. And press enter. So now we can type in any player. My favorite quarterback is Drew Brees because he's the best as well. So Drew Brees scored 7 touchdowns, and whenever this was made, pretty sure it's not a whole season. But you can type in Drew Brees. I can type in Tom Brady now. He had 4 because Drew Brees is better. I can type in Aaron Rodgers. Oh, I spelled his name wrong. You see, you spelled his name wrong because I put in 0. It's not going to give you any information. But Aaron Rodgers, he had 9. But that's it for that one. So that's how you do Hlookup. Okay, so finally we're going to look at how to do a Vlookup, which is going to be very similar to Hlookup. The only difference is that the table is now on a vertical basis. So again, we want to take the player's name and find the number of touchdowns. So the player, this time we go to Vlookup instead of Hlookup. Lookup value is going to be the player name, whatever you type in that area. Table array, it's going to be, you select the whole entire table. And then index number is going to be the amount of columns over there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Type in 10 for that. My computer messed up. Type in 10 for that. And you type in false because you want an exact match. Press enter. And once again, I type in best quarterback ever, Drew Brees. They give me 7, just like last time. Or I can type in Aaron Rodgers, who apparently was better this season, so it had to be. Oh, look, spelled his name wrong again. You gotta do better than that. We apparently had 9. And if you look at your Hlookup, it was 9 as well. So those are the same stats. And that's how you use matching index, Hlookup, and Vlookup to find specific points on the data table. Thanks for watching.